What is up guys, it's your boy Guns 2018 and welcome to a new year full of nice beats, memes and broken dreams. However, I didn't step with the right foot in this year because my video card died, which means that I can't make videos properly, which fucking sucks. I've been wanting to make videos for a while and I was like, yeah, 2018 is gonna be my year. I'm gonna make content. I'm gonna fucking grind. Also because of the timing, I've been working on my last drum kit, which means that I had to focus on it, so I won't have to put out another one just because I wouldn't feel, you know, completely satisfied with it. And because my GPU died, I kinda had to rush the process so I can put it out because I don't have another source of income so I can fix my PC. So that's why I have to release the drum kit now, so you can buy it now. I mean, don't get me wrong, I didn't rush it as in it feels rushed. I just had to take more time out of my free time just to make it. So that being said, you can click the link in the description and go buy that shit. It's the best one so far, I can promise that. It has around 300 sounds, something like that, which is a lot. It has so many loops and samples, and I made sure that the drums are nice as well, because I made them. Punchy kicks, heavy ass 808s, punchy snares and claps, nice hi-hats, crashes, open hats, voxes, you name it. So if you wanna buy it, just know that besides, you know, getting a drum kit, you're supporting me, which means a lot to me because you're helping me make content, which is my dream for a while. So that being said, you have the link in the description. Make sure to cop that. Trust me, it's worth the money. And yeah, also, what do you think about my really nice hair? It was your boy Grossbit, and I'll see you in the next one, which hopefully is gonna be soon because I wanna make content. So yeah, I'm out.